Guangzhou Devotional Thermal Facility Company Limited, starting from the time established, dedicates itself in manufacturing oil, gas-fired boilers, vacuum hot water boilers, electric boilers, oil field heaters, biomass boilers, as well as pressure vessels. Its products are widely used in industries of hotels, factories, hospitals, schools, and so on. The continuous innovations make us keep the pace with the latest technology of the world. Devotion steam boilers is a kind of mechatronics product and comprised of fuel supplying system, burning system, heating exchange system, automatic controlling system, and water feeding system, etc. Principles of boiler operation. The mixture of fuel and air is sprayed to the furnace via fuel supplying systems of burner. Then it burns under slightly positive pressure inside the corrugated furnace. After sufficient heat exchanging, high temperature smoke flue gas enters into the economizer, optional, by passing through the first corrugated furnace, second and third pass threaded flame tubes after absorbing the recovery heat once again. Low temperature smoke flue gas is discharged to outside via chimney. The temperature of exhausted flue gas is much lower than national standard 170 degrees centigrade. The water temperature will be increased rapidly when it absorbs heat. At last, it will be transferred to steam, and the steam will be distributed to different steam users through steam transportation system. Devotion boilers apply the most sophisticated 3-pass and wet-back structure technology, which is internationally introduced, safe, and reliable. Unique big combustion room design and corrugated furnace can increase the radiated heating surfaces, decrease the size of boiler, reduce emissions of oxynitride. The employment of thread tubes can facilitate the heat transfer and improve boiler heat efficiency. Multi-level sealing for the front and rear smoke chambers can guarantee no smoke leakage. Fully automatic boiler control system employs Siemens PLC and color touch screen. It can be long-term operated under high temperature and high humidity environment. It has multi-level interlock protection like water level, steam pressure, flame out, etc. High-efficient thermal insulation materials ensure the low boiler surface temperature and the heat loss can be neglected. Boilers are manufactured strictly in accordance with the national standards of ASME code. Optional. All pressure parts are made of grade boiler steel. Each boiler must be subject to strict hydraulic testing and X-ray inspection before shipment. By choosing the most suitable burner, ensures safe operation and abundant steam output. By equipping Devotion patent product, exclusive and optional economizer, saves fuel fee 4 to 10% and reduces 20 decibels noise. In the meantime, customer-tailored design is available.